GrayMatter Robotics.
GrayMatter Robotics.
GrayMatter Robotics, an autonomous robotic systems manufacturing company signing a memorandum of understanding with America's largest domestic shipbuilder.
Shipbuilding moves, we jokingly say, it moves at the pace that a carrier turns. It's not very quick.
We combine physical AI technologies with industrial robots to deliver superhuman performance, high speed, high payload, and high precision.
And this marks the day that's going to define the next decade.
Man, it's a fun time to be a shipbuilder.
There's two opposite ends of the spectrum. A group that knows how to do something very, very well and has perfected it over decades, and a group that is emerging with a disruptive new idea for how to do production. And I think by bringing those two things together, I think we can have a pretty dramatic impact in the way we build ships in America.
We're going to show the world that manufacturing in the United States